Often, once we start getting into a conversation with a client about coverage levels, when they insist that they just want the bare minimum, I have nothing to protect. Can you just sell me the cheapest renter's insurance policy possible and call it a day? I'm Eric from Effective Coverage. Could we sell you the cheapest renter's insurance policy with no regard to coverage? Sure. Is that what's best for your needs? Let's find out. Inevitably, when someone asks for the bare minimum and the cheapest option available, they think they don't care about coverage. They're viewing the policy as a burden to be borne, not as a benefit to their lives. Are there $75 a year liability-only renter's insurance policies? Probably. Should they exist? Probably not. Companies offering the policies with just liability are catering to the people who just want cheap and who feel forced to have the policy but don't care about the coverage. That's their prerogative to feel that way, but there's something you should know. You get what you pay for when it comes to renter's insurance. That holds just as true for insurance as it does for anything else likely in life. Does your $75 a year policy provide replacement cost coverage? We've actually seen a policy with $5,000 of personal property and actual cash value coverage from someone who thought they were well protected. After walking them through the policy, they weren't so sure about the coverage they were paying for, but they did know it was cheap. If the cheapest renter's insurance is with your auto policy in a bundle, good. Policy bundling is a viable way to drive the cost of insurance down. But if you're shopping just for the least expensive renter's insurance on its own, you're making a big mistake. Instead of price, look for value. Look at the cost of the policy and the coverage you get, the payment options, and how it all fits in your life. For a comprehensive review of your current policy or a quote on a policy that gets you the job done, you know what you have to do. Call Effective Coverage. But if you're new here and want more tips on renter's insurance coverage, before making that call, just subscribe to the Effective Coverage YouTube channel. And then you can get renter's insurance from the only exclusive provider of insurance for renters by calling or by going to effectivecoverage.com. Thank you for watching Effective Coverage for Renters.